Welcome to Best Productly. 5 Best Window Air Conditioner in 2021. We are going to check out top 5 best window air conditioner in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this window air conditioner, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
LG LW1017 ERSM Energy Star 10,000 British Thermal Units Window Wi-Fi Air Conditioner, White. 2017 Energy Star, 12.1 Energy Efficiency Ratio, ER. 10,000 BTUs cools a room up to 450 square feet. Wi-Fi control with LG SmartThink app, iOS and Android compatible. 3 cooling speeds / 3 fan speeds for cooling flexibility. 4-way air deflection directs cool air where you want it.
Top 4.
Amazon Basics Window Mounted Air Conditioner with Remote, cools 400 square feet, 10,000 British Thermal Units, AC Unit. Energy efficient remote controlled air conditioning unit cools and dehumidifies rooms up to 400 square feet with standard 9-foot ceiling. Keeps air clean and fresh with inbuilt filter, which can be easily removed, washed, and reused. Features include 24-hour on-off timer, auto restart and shut-off, clean filter alert, sleep mode, adjustable air direction, and 3 fan speed settings. Fits standard windows with a minimum window height width of 15.5 x 23 inches and max height width of 15.5 x 36 inches. Includes a window mounting kit with adjustable side panels that expand to fit standard windows, 6.5-foot, 3-prong, 115V power cord.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Frigidaire FFRS 1022R1 10,000 British Thermal Units 115-volt slider casement room full function remote control window air conditioner, 10,000, white. Specially designed for casement window or sliding window installation kit included, not suitable for standard window installation. 10,000 British Thermal Units air conditioner cools a room up to 450 square feet with dehumidification up to 3.4 pints per hour. Uses standard 115V electrical outlet. Multi-speed electronic controls with 24-hour on-off timer and full-function remote control. Auto cool, energy saver mode, sleep mode, 4-way air direction and washable mesh filter with check filter alert, energy efficiency ratio, EER, 10.4. Window height 21.5 inch minimum / 40 inch maximum. Minimum window width 15.5 inch.
Top 2.
MIDEA Window Air Conditioner 5,000 British Thermal Units with mechanical controls, 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling and fan settings, 110V, white. Fast cooling, 5,000 British Thermal Unit window mounted mini compact air conditioner is perfect for cooling a room up to 150 square feet. Quickly cools down your home, office, or apartment for maximum comfort. Effortless operation, 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling / 2 fan only speeds and 2-way air direction give you the perfect amount of cooling every time. Easy installation, install easily with minimal modification to the existing window frame. Suitable for windows 23-36 wide and minimum 13 high. All mounting accessories are included. Energy efficient, combined energy efficiency rate, CER, 11.0. Helps reduce the energy costs.
Top 1.
MIDEA U Inverter Window Air Conditioner 8000 British Thermal Units, U-shaped AC with open window flexibility, robust installation, extreme quiet, 35% energy saving, smart control, Alexa, remote, bracket included. More than 35% energy savings. With the advanced DC inverter technology, MIDEA U achieves over 35% energy savings compared to other traditional units, and it's the first window AC to obtain the Energy Star Most Efficient 2020 certification. You may also get exclusive benefits from your local energy distributor. Extreme quiet, 9 times quieter than some traditional units. The U-shape blocks the noise from the cooling system using your window. This design allows for extremely quiet operation as low as 42 dBA, almost as quiet as a library, so you can get a restful night's sleep or binge your favorite shows undisturbed. Flexible window open, MIDEA U-shaped design allows your window to open, bringing fresh air into your home anytime, allowing you to maintain more of your view.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.